Hamster.
Yo.
I have something for you.
What's this? Hey, so awesome, Syed.
There's a message in the back for you too.
That's so nice, man.
God.
That's so sweet of you, man. I'm gonna keep it forever. Oh, dude, I'm so glad you wrote your name. Thank you. Well, give me a hug, man. That's super nice of you.
Oh, thank you.
There's appreciate you.
Oh, that's awesome.
And that's for you.
Say it! A picture of us. That is so nice.
You can keep
Really
it forever.
sweet. I'm gonna keep this in my room forever, and I will always remember you. Ooh, sorry. Aww.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
There's a message in the back too.
Hey, I appreciate it.
This thing is for you.
For me?
Yeah. Thanks.
Oh, how sweet!
There is a message.
That is sweet.
This one is for you.
Oh my gosh, that's a good picture. Dang. Dude, I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too, bro.
Thank you.
Of course. That's for you.
Oh, thanks, man. That's great. I appreciate that. That's really
Thanks.
wonderful.
There's a
This for me?
there's a message in the back too.
You got it framed?
Yeah.
That's so sweet.